Hey guys, so today's the big freaking day. As you can tell, the Strat is right behind me. And this hotel is home to the highest thrill rides in the world. And I say highest because they're not technically the tallest thrill rides, but they're literally the highest ones in the sky at over 800 feet. They've got a teeter-totter from hell, this claw thing. It's freaking crazy. Like, it puts you out over the edge and spins you around. And then they've got like a sky shot, like a drop tower thing. And that's not all. You can jump off the side of it. There's cables that run down the side here, and you can literally just jump off the side. So we're gonna be doing all of that today. Here in just a few minutes. Let's go in and get set up and get up there. I am actually scared to do this. The rides aren't like that scary to me. I feel pretty safe doing that. But that jump, like just looking off the edge and having to make the leap myself and then watch the ground come up to me, that honestly, that is terrifying. But we're gonna do it anyway. Yeah! Yeah! Isn't that insane?
Nope. Dude,
this is what we're doing.
Right,
the jump right there. Woo! Okay, so apparently there was a sign downstairs that said all the rides are closed except the jump. Strat thrill rides. I mean, there's like an option for it. No availability for this date. Oh man. Sky jump. Oh, wait.
Nothing's open?
Hold on. Wait, but yeah, so here it says it's open on this screen. We're about to find out. Okay, literally as we were sitting here, X Scream opened. So that's what we're doing. The one attraction we can do today. The sky jump is all booked up for today, and they have an available slot for 1 tomorrow and 4 p.m. I just have to take my sister to the airport. Her flight's at 1:30, so might do the 4 p.m. one. It would just put me getting back to Phoenix pretty late, but I think it might be worth it. 270,000 jumps, that's awesome. I want to be one.
Not today.
Yeah, not today though.
Pee pee cup, pee pee cup, pee pee cup.
Here's our elevator.
Look, you can see the people in the other half.
Oh, that's funny. Wait, where's the camera at? Oh, right there. Wave at them. Hi. Our neighbors.
They're right below us.
Oh,
we
cool.
have double deck
Go up
elevators.
together.
That's why the elevator stopped down one floor and then going up.
Cool.
We're gonna take you to the level 109. We'll be there in 37 seconds. We're going 21 miles per hour, 3 floors per second.
Wow.
You guys can exit that.
Alright.
Thank you guys. You're welcome.
Thank you. All right. It's up there. I gotta use the bathroom first. Okay, here we go. Wow. That's an awesome view. Oh gosh, there is. Oh no. Oh yeah, there's the jump, the sky jump. Wow. That is a bit trippy.
Yeah.
It's a bit wet. I can't even talk. That is a bit leg wobbly as I was trying to spit out. There's X Scream, the big tilt arm. That's gonna be so scary. That's legitimately gonna be terrifying. Oh God, okay. All right, that's what we're doing. Oh my gosh, you guys, they're hooking someone in right now. I can see them. I can see their head. This guy's about to go. Woo! Wow, hear how fast the cable's going. Okay, this is literally where they're jumping right here. Oh, the pool down there looks cool. My legs would be shaking so much on that platform. There he goes. Woo! Wow.
It doesn't pick up right after the jump, you know, like it gives you a second before.
Yeah, to like ease yourself into it.
Yeah.
Look at him go. There's the target down there. Nice. Wait, is it gonna open? Are they running it?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
It's so confusing. I don't understand this place at all.
Yeah, can we get tickets up here? Okay, we got our ticket. Now to just get in line. I am nervy about this, you guys. Oh, it's starting. It's going. Oh my gosh. Here they go. Woo! That looks calm. Honestly, seeing it going, I feel a little better. Okay, I've got a weird mixture of calm, like watching it going, but also like still nervous. They're letting us in now, here we go. Oh boy. All right, see you later, guys. Oh, this? Oh, gotcha. It's okay. Well, unfortunately, I could not bring you guys on the ride with me. Completely understandably because, well, we're 900 feet in the air here, and if anything falls from the ride, that would be deadly. However, my camera was strapped to my body, so it would not have fallen from the ride. So I'm bummed that didn't get to work out. But thankfully, I have some off-ride footage here from my sister's friends who I went to the Strat with. And I'll just be commentating my experience from this off-ride footage. Backing up this ride cycle here, I want to talk about this part where you initially go over the edge for the first time, and that was just like such a wild experience. It felt like an electric shock, like kind of just ran through my body as all of my little neurons and stuff freak out thinking that we're gonna die. That was a really trippy experience, especially looking straight down off to the side and feeling very exposed out there. After a few rotations, the initial like fear kind of like wore off. Don't get me wrong, the thrill was still there, but I began to feel a lot more comfortable, and so that's when I started lifting my arms up. As the ride picked up, I realized, wow, this is a lot of spinning, and if you know me, you know I am not a fan of spinning. And you're out there for quite a while. After spinning that much, I was getting kind of sick and over the spinning. And kind of stopped caring that I was over the edge of an almost 900-foot drop. But we did it! We survived, and it was awesome! It takes a little bit to get back to the station, so I was kind of just like chilling at the end there. Wow, okay, that was quite the experience. And honestly, just like with any other ride, the anticipation was the worst thing about it. Once I got out over the edge, it really wasn't that bad. And I was so secured in the seat, I felt kind of comfortable actually. Then the spinning got to be a little too much. What's up, Chris? Dude, that was nuts. No pee. No pee came out. I know. Lame. That's what those are for.
Pee-pee cup?
Yeah. All right, you guys. X-Scream. We're getting in line for it. The teeter-totter from hell. It's gonna be sick. Again, was not able to film on this ride either. However, we have Chris, and Chris is here to film us and get off-ride footage, so yay, thank you, Chris. This ride was also a very crazy sensation. Heading straight for and off the edge of the building was quite the sensation, to say the least. I wish I would have been able to ride in the front seat on this ride to really get that full experience. But the second row was still really good too. There I am trying to make it even more intense by looking over the edge, and that just feels so crazy in my body. Okay, that was each one kind of like hit each time. It didn't really get a whole lot calmer. that was a good one. Parker, I think you would like that one, dude. No? You don't even really see over the edge that much though. Okay.
Did you love it?
Yeah, it was great. It was scary, but it was good.
Did you get to take your GoPro?
No. No. Thing is, they said if I had a head mount, it would have been okay.
Okay, well that's good.
Yeah, so that's good to know for the future. Maybe tomorrow. Alright, with that, the Stratosphere experience is coming to a close here. I think I'm all done. There's really nothing else I can do. Oh! Chris isn't over here anymore. Okay, he must be somewhere else. I went over here to grab Chris, but he's not there. So we're gonna head out. I think I'm gonna come back tomorrow though. So we might get another Strat vlog. And I learned that I needed a head mount for the GoPro. So hopefully I can snag one of those and come out here and get actual like on-ride footage for the full experience for you guys. And jumping off the side of the building.
Till the very next day.
Back at the Strat today to actually jump this time. Maybe ride the rides again. And we noticed that in the parking garage, there were footprints on the wall. And then Noah pointed out that there's footprints all over these walls. They're everywhere. So now Noah's slapping we're adding our own footprints. Nice. It's slapping time. Oh, our shoes are so dirty. That's a better one. Wait, the ceiling? Yeah. Oh, I got it. Yes. Noah left his mark too. We're next to each other. Wow. Every single pillar has footprints on it. There's so many. You know, this took a life of its own when someone just randomly slapped their shoe up there one day. And then someone else saw it, and then they did it. And then it just spread from there. Here's a sky jump meter. Where do you guys fall? From coward to daredevil. All right, you guys, I got 2 ride tickets here. Let's get up there and go ride. So we're gonna be starting out on X-Scream. Insanity. Starting out on Insanity again today. I don't really like this one because the spinning. I don't like the spinning. I don't mind the view. The spinning makes me feel kind of sick though. But we're doing it. We're doing it again. All right, unfortunately, I couldn't take the GoPro on Insanity back there, but I'm hoping maybe I'll be able to bring it on this one. Oh, and I got some really sad news. My freaking sky jump just got canceled due to high winds. And they're asking if I wanted to refund or reschedule. So, that kind of sucks. Future Alex here with a spoiler. I was not able to take my GoPro on the ride with me, but I did get this cool shot of me walking up onto the ride and sitting down in the front seat. So I'm happy I at least get to share that experience with you guys, because you're just sitting there looking out over the view, getting ready to be put out over the edge of this freaking building. And thankfully, this lady decided to join me. Let's go. She sat in the front with me, so I didn't have to ride alone, which was nice. I'm glad I had someone to share the experience with in person and not just be out there by myself. I would have been fine to be out there by myself, but it was a little more fun having someone with me. Then I was able to set up my GoPro to kind of get some off-ride footage. Unfortunately, I don't have any footage from a different angle where you can actually see train going, like, you know, down the rail and off the side. But I do have these super fun pictures. Yay! If anyone working for the Strat is watching this, please help me out here. I would love to come back and get some proper footage of these amazing rides to share with all the lovely people on the internet, and also actually get to jump off the side. That would be really, really cool. I would love to get to do that, and I'm very sad I did not get to do so during this visit. Oh my god, that was crazy. I wish I could have brought you guys along with me. Maybe next time. Yeah. Such a bummer. Just gonna get a refund for it. Maybe next time. Well, sadly, it seems jumping off an extremely tall building is just not in the cards for me this week. The universe is really like, ha! You thought you were gonna jump off this building? No, you're not allowed. But hopefully I can get back here somewhat soon to do that, because I was really, really looking forward to jumping off of that. Oh well, we're taking it in stride. Hey, I'm happy I got to ride 2 more rides. They were super awesome. Super happy I got to ride in the front of X-Scream. That was a crazy experience. Sad I couldn't take you guys along though, but maybe I can do that again in the future at some point. What the heck? Wait. I don't know where I'm going. I think did I take a wrong turn? God dang it, I took a wrong turn. Alright, well, I'm gonna let you guys go now. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to leave a like. Watch one of these other videos on the screen now, and I'll see you there. Bye!